Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a cyber bee.
And here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw in color with. Oh, we're also using a white pencil to add the texture to the wings.
Yeah.
But you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils for the whole thing.
Or crayons.
Yeah, crayons.
Or markers. Like us.
That's what we're using.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our bee's head, our robo bee's head over here in the left. That way we have room for the body over here. So I'm gonna first draw, it's kind of a letter U, but I'm also drawing it kind of pointed a little bit. So it's not just perfectly round. But the back of the head, we're gonna draw more round. So let's draw this curving around for the back of the head. Yeah, I like how big it is. I wish mine was that big. Maybe your whole bee could be bigger too.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now let's draw the details on the face. We're first going to draw our cyber bee kind of angry, so we're concentrating. So we're going to draw this letter V right here. And I'm going to go up a little higher, and then we're going to curve around for the bottom, and then connect in to the bottom. Yes, this is our robot face. Then we're going to draw the eye over here on the left. And then we're also going to draw the eyebrow or the top of the eye here. And let's draw it curving around and then up. Yes, okay, and then we could also draw kind of a smile on the side. And let's draw more details. We could draw a line coming down. And let's draw another thing here. We'll draw a short line, then a short line across. And then let's draw connecting up to the top. Okay, now let's add some antenna. We're going to draw 1 and 2 antennas. Then up at the top, let's draw a little raindrop shape on both of them. And then we can connect this one down and this one down. Oh, it's starting to really look cool. We could also add another line. You could add more
like texture.
Yeah, texture or part lines to make it look more robotic. Okay, let's draw the body next, or start of the body, and then we could also draw the wings. So I'm going to draw a short line here for the back of the body, and then we're going to draw the first wing. We're going to draw it curving up and then bending up at the top. Then let's draw it curving back down and then come close, but leave some space here where we started, and then straight line across. Okay, next, let's draw the rest of the body. I'm gonna imagine this line going behind the wing, coming over here, and then curving down, and then we're gonna draw curving back into the head. Okay, now let's draw the first leg, or arm. I'm gonna draw it bending down, forward, and then down again. Okay, let's draw a line just like that one. Repeat it next to it. Then this one we can extend down a little further and then connect it to the other side. And then at the top, let's draw an upside down letter U.
That would hurt if it landed on. Actually,
yeah, that's
it's really
sharp.
Small, though.
But I think it would hurt. Okay, then we can add more lines to make it look more robotic or cyber. Yeah. Then we can add a joint here or kind of a hinge right here too. Oh, you already did. Yeah. And let's add another leg over here. So short line down, diagonal, and then another one. And then let's repeat. And then let's do the same thing where we extended it down and then connect it up. Next, let's add all those lines for the hinges on our robot bee's legs. Okay, next let's add more things. We can add a little circle here, and I'm going to draw a straight line across and up. Let's add another wing too. I'm going to draw a smaller wing here. So we'll draw a diagonal line coming out from the body, and then diagonal line up, and then back into the wing. Let's make it more 3D and add a wing over here too. So I'm going to draw a little smaller. We'll draw it curving up. Then we'll curve back down and probably just connect it to the other wing. Yeah, that looks really cool. Next, let's draw the body, or the rest of the body. We're going to draw a big sideways letter U. And then we can draw legs on this one too. Let's draw it coming down and then further back.
I guess these are its feet and that's its hands.
Oh yeah, these are the legs and feet and then, yeah, hands and arms.
Yeah.
And then this one, let's draw the bottom one longer and then connect up. And then we'll do the same thing here, an upside down letter U.
There.
Then we can add more lines for the robot legs. And we really need 6. So let's add another one right here. I'm going to draw it here and then down. So we're going to add 3 on this side and then 3 on the other side. Let's draw it coming down too to repeat. And then we're just doing all the same things and then an upside down U at the top and then add extra lines. I went really fast. So our friends, you guys can pause the video if you need more time. Okay, now for these legs, other legs on the other side, we're gonna just draw them back here. So this one's kind of repeating the same shape as the one next to it. And then this one, I'm gonna do the same thing right here. So I'm going really fast, faster than you need me to pause, don't you?
Yes, I do.
So I just repeated all the same shapes of those legs that we already did. And then these, because they're behind the other ones, let's just keep it easy and we'll color them in. This will
Like
make
a shadow.
it, yes, like a shadow. What's our B missing?
It's Stinger.
Yeah, let's draw a sideways letter V and also missing stripes. Let's draw curves that match this curve right here. So here's one, then we're gonna leave some space and then draw another curve that matches, kind of matches. And then right here, we'll do one more right on the end. We did it, we finished drawing our Cyber Bee, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to use our drawings as inspiration. All right, let's speed things up. Austin, we did it! We finished coloring our Cyber Bees and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, they did.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, that was so fun.
I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings too. You can even add a background.
You could add even more Cyber Bees, maybe even attacking something.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
Yeah.
And I think because I like this one so much that we drew a robot version of a bee, I think we should do robot versions of everything.
Oh, yes.
Like lions.
Or a cow.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Robot cow.
Robot cow. Let's do it.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Cyber Bee.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. I'm sure they turned out awesome. The most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.